Setting up a walled garden whitelisting on an ANTlabs Gateway IG4 involves allowing certain websites or IP addresses to be accessed by users without requiring authentication or payment. This can be useful for providing free access to specific resources or services. Here are the general steps to set up a walled garden on an ANTlabs Gateway. Log into the admin panel. Second, log in using your administrator credentials. Navigate to Whitelist Configuration. Third, go to Walled Garden Configuration, typically under Network/LAN/Walled Garden Settings. For now, choose HTTPS domains. Click on the Add or New button. Enter the URL or IP address. Add websites or IP addresses to the whitelist. Choose the appropriate action, pass through to allow or block to deny. Add a description. Then click Add to save the entry. By following these steps, you can effectively configure your ANTlabs Gateway to create a walled garden with the desired access control for specific websites or resources. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.